Okay, we're back with another tech video. Now I'm going to go through your question, answer it, and hopefully you get the solution. Now remember to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and you'll get there to that resolution. Alright, let's continue on to the video. And that's it. I hope that that's helped find the solution that you're looking for. And if it did, please, I'd appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Every time you hit it, it really helps. Now, I'll see you next time you need some technical help. And until then, have a good one.